Hi, today I'm going to discuss about VMware workstation. So, before installing, uh, I'm telling what exactly the VMware workstation is. The VMware workstation is, so suppose currently I'm using Ubuntu operating system, Linux operating system. Uh, I just want to uh, practice something on Windows. I need some Windows operating system. Currently I don't have any other system available, so in this time I just install VMware workstation on my Ubuntu, and I install whatever OS I have. I just install virtually. So first thing, uh, I will download VMware workstation. See, I just download it now. Once it's downloaded, uh, it's downloaded as bundle. The file type is bundle, so the installation of bundle is just simple: sh vmware something .sh. You need sudo access for installing this. Okay, uh, I'm already installed VMware, so currently I don't have that VMware bundle also. So this is the command, or if it is in your repository, then it's simple: sudo apt-get install VMware workstation. I already installed VMware. Now I want to install some Windows operating system. See here, uh, I just want to create a new brand new virtual machine. So see, virtual machine, typical or custom. Typical is showing some it's like a default settings. The custom is your if you want to change everything, it's a better to do some advanced, uh, custom configuration. Here the VMware, currently I'm using a VMware 10. So this compatibility is the limitation. Maximum limitation is a 64 GB of RAM, the maximum, and 16 process, and 10 up to network adapters, and 8 TB disk space. This is my limitation in workstation 10. So now uh, now you need to give the CD drive or ISO. See, if you have CD drive, your operating system CD drive, then you can insert the CD drive. You can insert the drive, and it will take the drive. But currently I don't have any CD drive. I have a ISO image. ISO image is like an one operating system image, and it's act like an CD drive in VMware, particularly VMware virtual PC, like that. So currently I have ISO image, so I will install ISO image. Or is some other option also. I will install operating system later also. So once you set up all the VMware settings, then finally if you want manually install your operating system, this is the option. But in this case I just want to install operating system by its own, so it's a less burden for me. So I choose ISO image. Next, it's asking for product key and full name and password. I just give the password and everything. Here it's asking for the location. So actually the particular the complete the file size is up to 5 to 10 GB. It's depends. It is XP, so it's up to 5 GB. So I prefer the default location. It's my location. so I don't have any problem. So I just if you want to give any name like xp1 or xp2 something, so you can give your own name. Next, so number of processors. Currently my processor is i7, so I can give up to 8, 16. So for XP it's enough for a single processor, it's okay for me. And the memory, the RAM is a by default it's taking 512, so I will increase to 1 GB. Next, use network address, network connections. Here the use bridge network. Bridge network is like the particular VMware directly connected to the external network. So suppose currently I'm connecting some I have a broadband connection in my physical machine. So if I check the use bridge network, that means the VMware directly use that particular broadband network. I mean, it's getting its own IP address directly connected to my external network. If I'm using NAT, that means my physical machine gives some IP address to VMware. So still VMware able to access external network, but all requests go through my physical machine. VMware doesn't have can't directly connected to my physical, I mean external network. That is called NAT. The NAT is the good option. And use host only network. Host only network is the VMware has its own IP address. It doesn't connecting to the physical address. I mean, sorry, physical machine. See, bridge network. Currently, I have a PC connected to external network. On my PC, I have a VMware. If I choose bridge network, means VMware directly connected to external network. I don't need any PC in between PC. Okay, external network gives some address like 10.0.0.1 example, and so that external IP directly assigned to the particular VM. In this NAT, my suppose external IP address is 10.0.0.1. It's assigned to my PC. My PC assigned different IP address to VM. Say suppose 192.168.1.1 something. So my VMware has this IP address like 192.168.1.1. So still my VMware able to access external network, but all requests go through my PC only. But host only is completely different. The VMware cannot connect to PC. So suppose I have two VMs. I just want to communicate these two VMs. I don't need any communicate with my local PC. So I just want to communicate with these two VMs. So if I host only, I can able to set up my own IP address. So suppose 11.0.0.0.1 for this, and 11.0.0.2 for VM2. Now the both VMs will communicate each other. So that is host only. So the better option is a NAT. Is the recommended bus logic. So the SCSI is recommended, and I'm going through this. I don't have any SATA, so I'm going through the SCSI. And disk, I'm creating a new disk. Currently I don't have any external virtual disks. Use physical disk also available, but I want to create my own create a new virtual disk. The using existing virtual disk is, if I already created one VM, I have that particular disk. I mean, uh, I have that particular VMware disk. Then I use that already existing VMware disk. Currently I don't have any existing VMware disk, so I just go to the new virtual disk. Next, the 40 GB is more than enough. If you want, you can increase or decrease. Allocate disk space now means enter disk space, it's allocated now. Here if you give 40 GB means it will not take 40 GB, it will not take entire 40 GB now. Okay, until you check this allocate all disk space now. If you uncheck this means, let's say suppose I'm installing XP. My installing XP, it will take 4 GB space. That means currently the 4 GB of my physical disk is allocated to the VM. So tomorrow if I copy some 1 or 2 GB file, then it will take it will increasing. If you want allocate complete 40 GB now, you can do this. You can check allocate disk space now, it will take 40 GB. And this is store virtual disk as a single file and a multiple file. So suppose if you have a 40 GB file, so you're installing mouse space, and if your complete VM size is 40 GB, so transferring the file, it's a little bit hard. In that case, if you choose option like split virtual disk with multiple files, means the particular disk is split into some 2 GB portions, like small space portions, like 2 GB, or if it is a 40 GB entire, it split into 10 files. That means every file space is up to 4 GB, like that. So you can easily transfer the file. So that's it, nothing more than that, split into multiple files. The next, so this is my disk file name. See here, my disk file name is xp1. It's okay. And if you want to browse, I can copy somewhere else, so it's also possible with my. When I click finish, it will start installation. Now my installation is done. This is my XP. Change this is my XP.